Okay, my YouTube family, welcome back to Straight Yard. Today we have for you something special, guys. You know it's Easter, so you know in Jamaica, in Easter time, we only fry fish, bun and cheese and all these things, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have some fried fish for you guys because we can't get the real fish that we want, you know. I would have want some sprat, you know, the original sprat of Jamaica would be hard to get. So here what we are gonna do. We have some, let me show you what I got on the peeps. We have some lane snapper. These are the lane snapper. We have some yellowtail snapper. And we have lane snapper. See? And we have two red snapper over here too. So what we are going to do, we are going to clean them up. Get some vinegar upon them, get some lime juice. You know we have to clean up within them. Salt them out and then we are going to season them. And let them soak a little bit. And then we're going to go to frying, my people. So stay tuned for that. And we're also going to make something good today, guys. We're going to make bun from scratch. So stay tuned. Alright, so I could cut up one lime here now, my people. Get some lime juice on him. So when lime juice cut with the rawness, you know. You have to deal with fish, you have to have lime juice. And we'll drop little vinegar also. There we go. So we have to run through them now. Clean them up. And then we come right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Straight Yard TV. Okay, my people, so here's the fish them. Looking nice and clean. Well clean. See that? Yeah, we'll fry some fish today. So we are going to jerk them, give them a jerk. Or score, whatever you want to call them. So the season can fly up in them equally. And taste well nice. Okay, guys? So we are going to give them one little cut like that. Season go up in it, and then we are go get the season together, put the season in it, sit it down for a little bit, let it soak, and then we come right back to you guys. See, nice and clean, ready to go. This is a big boy and I'm probably gonna have to cut him in two. Yeah. We are gonna cut this one. Alright, so we're going to cut this big bad boy in two. Just like that. So I'm fitting at the pot properly, okay? That's what we're talking about. And this is the next big bad boy. We're going to cut him in two too. Okay. And fried fish for the Easter, guys. I'm going to be so nice. So this is two nice red snapper, guys. I'll probably leave these. I'll probably do something different to do. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get the season together. We're gonna come right back to you guys and season those bad boy and let you see what's going on for them. So stay tuned. One Straight Yard TV. Okay, my people. So now we are gonna mix up the season. We are gonna add the season. So here we have some complete. We are gonna mix the season. A special mix, this guy. Special mix. We have some slap your mama. Them seasoning, guys, you need to get them in the kitchen if you want to cook mad flavors, okay? This is a Creole season, guys. So we are going to mix it with some other spices and season. Get things going. We can't do it without Auntie Maggie, you know it go already. Real Jamaican thing. Add some. We don't need no more seasoning, people. I use a little onion powder. We also mix up everything in one, make a season for itself. A little garlic powder. Then we are going with a little of the easy spice. No MSG, guys. And like here almost finished too, so we are going to finish him up and now and done. Take out a new one. Now where you go. Can't do without black pepper when you do fish, guys. It's a must. Roast if you're frying it, like I'm going to do. So we are going to get some black pepper in it now. Some of the black pepper. That gives the fish a kick, guys. Give it a nice taste. So we are going to go ahead and mix up all of the season together. Just like that. Alright. Guys, when this fish is done, you want to taste it. So now we are going to it. First we are going inside. Give them some split. Give them some season. You understand? You don't have to dab season all over it, guys. Trust me. Just do it this way. Good result. Alright. That one done. Next one. You drop some in the head, in the belly. Like that. Then we'll go inside of the cuts. We'll drop some in the cuts. Call them scar. Some people call it jerk. Go back over the next side. Do the next same thing. Just like that, guys. So guys, we're going to season up the fish then. And we're coming right back to you. So we have it. Straight yard style, this, you know, guys. Regular. Not normal. This is the Easter fish, guys. Easter. Fried fish and bun, you know how it goes. Later on, we are going to make a nice bun for you guys from scratch. That's right. Fish, you gotta know how to season fish because you don't want the fish to salt. You just want nice flavor from the fish. Okay? That's why you see I'm trying to get it in these cuts. And rub him all over. So I'm talk about, yeah? Good. Go in again. This is it. This is it. This one is it. Guys, because these fish are so big, they have a lot of flesh, so you gotta know to season them. It's not like some little small fish. So you have to put season on the fish, but not overpowering the fish with season. These two are probably jerking. Alright, so let's score these two because these probably jerk. Okay, my people, you see? Just the exact amount of season that I need for the fish. Not more or less, that's it. Just the exact amount. Then there. Nice! Okay, so we'll cut up some onion, scallion, thyme and garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper. Let it sit for a little bit. then we're ready to fry. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna cut up a little bit of earth seasoning on it. Give it a little extra flavor. You don't have to do this if you're gonna fry right away. But I'm gonna soak it, so it's gonna give it a little extra flavor, guys. So you know, some people frying fish, they just season it like this and fry it. But I like mine have a lot of flavors. So I'm gonna add some more earth season to give it a lot more flavor. Okay? And we're not gonna fry these season, guys. We're gonna scrape them off when we're frying. Just some additional flavors. And then last but not least, good old Scotch bonnet, guys. I'm not gonna put all of it in it because it's real hot. Just need a little kick, because fried fish have to have a little kick. You know how it goes. That's it. This is what we're talking about. Okay. Cool. Let our low season sit. So stay tuned. Remember guys to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. And leave all the comment in the comment section guys. Alright, so remember, hit up the like button guys. So we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna sit inside and we check you back when it's time to fry. So stay tuned. Okay my people, so it's Easter and I promise you I'm gonna make you an Easter bun guys. Traditional Jamaican Easter bun, spice bun, okay? So right now, we'll make it from scratch. So you guys gotta take notes. So we're gonna go in with 3 cups of flour guys. And you know I like to sieve my flour when I'm doing baking. No lumps, okay? That's the only reason I'm sieving it. I'm gonna sieve all of it one time. Just gonna get out the whole 3 cups and put it in at one time. Two cups. When I say 3 cups, guys, I mean 3 cups, not over. 3 cups. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and sieve it out. You just knock it like that. You don't have to kill up yourself. Just knock it gently. Okay. See the flour come out pretty and nice? Yeah, we're gonna bake. That's what we're talking about. That's enough. Okay, so we're gonna go in with half teaspoon of salt. Okay, my peeps. That is it. Okay. Alright, so this is all the dry ingredients, my people. So we're gonna set the dry ingredients and then we're gonna make the wet ingredients. So stay tuned, watch the video. And remember, give the video thumbs up. So we're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Okay. Right. We're gonna put some nice spice in it, guys. So we're gonna spice it up. Gonna spice the thing up, okay? Where is my sugar? Alright. Now we're gonna go in with 1 cup of sugar, guys. Alright, this one don't full, so we're gonna have to get the next one open, so stay tuned. I wanna make it 1 cup. 1 cup. When I say 1 cup, 1 cup. Not over. 1 cup. Alright. First, I'm gonna season up the flour, guys. So I'm gonna get some different ingredients in it before I put the sugar. Okay. So we're gonna go in with half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go in with half teaspoon of allspice. This one had a cap on it, so let me take it off and fasten. This is very strong, you know, guys, so you gotta know to use this one. Okay, I think that's half. Okay. I have some nutmeg, guys, because I have to grate on my own nutmeg. So this is half teaspoon of nutmeg also. So I grate it already. I'm gonna just dump it in there. These are for the rest of the ingredients, guys, so you gotta stay tuned and watch the video to the end if you want to learn to make this one. Okay, guys, so we have some ginger powder. We're gonna go in with half teaspoon also. This is strong, guys, so don't make it get too much. It's overpower it. Alright. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is just mix this up, set it aside. And then we're gonna go and get the wet ingredients, guys. Okay? I'm not gonna add the sugar. I'm gonna show you a different style. I'm gonna add the sugar in the wet ingredients, guys. Alright, so this is perfect. We can set this aside. So stay tuned. Watch out for the wet ingredients coming right at you. Okay, my people, so now we're gonna go in with the wet ingredients. So we have a malt here. You can use any malt you want to use of your choice. Okay, guys? Or you can use a Guinness, a Dragon Stout, or you can use both. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to use both. But I'm not going to use all of it. So you're going to have to learn this one. Or you don't have to put it in there if you don't want it. I'm going to add one malt. Complete malt. All of it. I have a Dragon Stout here, guys. I'm going to add half of it, not all of it, because I had some other ingredients. So you have to stay and watch the video. Yeah, I'm just doing half, okay? Right. Okay, guys, so we have the vanilla here, okay? We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, guys. This is the part of it now. This is a mixed spice in a liquid. Very powerful. So I'm going to use just a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with like quarter. Okay? Don't want that to overpower the thing. Now I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of honey. That's 1. That's 2. And remember, guys, this honey is real thick, so I don't have to know to work with it. Okay. Smell that. I have some guava jam here, guys. You could use any flavor you want. With a strawberry, anyone you want to use. But I'm using guava. So I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of my guava jam, guys. I have 1/4 cup of jam here. Guava jam, guys. So I'm going to add it. Now I'm going to add the sugar, guys. I have 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to add it. Okay, my people. So we're going to add some rose water. I'm gonna add like 1/4 teaspoon of rose water. So this is the kicker. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of molasses, guys. This gives it the color, guys. Lots of flavor. Okay. That drain off. Guys, this is from scratch, you know, so you gotta learn this one. I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of browning, guys. Good. That is it. That's what we're talking about. Alright, now I'm gonna add like about 4 tablespoons of melted butter, guys. Straight in. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Guys, you wanna make sure all the sugar, the brown sugar, is dissolved. You wanna get it, you don't want no grains in the sugar. You want to make sure the sugar is mixed out properly. So that's why I'm mixing it like this. Trying to get all the ingredients combined together, guys. Alright guys, we have one more thing left to put in it. So this is some raisin with some red cherry, guys. Soak in some red label wine and some Garnishing wine, guys. And just a little dash of white rum. Okay? This is gonna be like almost a cup when you figure it out. It's like almost a cup of juice going on it. So don't worry about it. It's still gonna be okay. Alright guys, now we mix. Going on to the next step now, guys, where we're gonna add some eggs and we're gonna zest a piece of lemon, tap up the flavor, kill the rice. I'm gonna show you what's going on, just stay tuned. Okay, my people, so we have 2 eggs here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the white, or the eye. Some people call it the eye. This is the eye anyway. That make it raw, guys, so you gotta get it out. Especially when you're doing baking. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. This right here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, guys? Need to come out. Okay? So now I have 1 lemon here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and zest the complete lemon. I'm gonna add it to it. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Zest, the whole complete lemon zest, guys. 1 lemon zest, we just zest it off. Adding it into the eggs. So it give it flavor and it also kill the rawness, guys. Lots of flavor. Alright, then we're gonna give it a beat. like that. Give it a beat. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this to the mixture, guys. Now we're gonna give it a mix, guys. Mix. Keep mixing. Infuse all the flavor, get them together. And guys, if you want more color, you could add a little bit more molasses or you could add a little bit more browning. Up to the color you're looking for. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in it also, just like about a teaspoon. Tons of flavor here, guys. Tons of flavor. Don't need more than that. That's it. Alright, here no sugar at the bottom. All mixed up. There's nothing there. Okay? So now we're gonna go in with the dry ingredients, guys, and we're gonna do it step by step. You're not gonna add all of it one time, you just add it little by little and you keep mixing because you wanna keep mixing out all the lumps, okay? So that's what we're doing right now. So if I mix this out, okay, the color looking fine. Yeah, looking nice. Nice and lovely. Guys, I told you I was gonna make an Easter bun for you guys. This is it. And at this point, you don't wanna mix it too much. Once you get it to the right texture, you don't need to over mix it, guys. Okay? I think I'm gonna go for a little bit darker color, guys. So I'm gonna add a little bit more brown into it. I need my bun not to so brown, a little bit darkish color, guys. So I'm adding like a next tablespoon of browning. You could add molasses if you want to, but the browning is perfect, guys. I'm gonna show the color now. See? Yeah, that's the color I'm looking for. That dark color. That is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, man. Smell it? Smells so nice. Good. Okay, guys, so at this point, I'm gonna get the dish. I'm gonna put some butter in it, or you can oil the pan if you want also, or you could spray spam in it, anything you wanna do with it. You can use oil, butter, spam, anything. I'm gonna use butter in mine. So I'm gonna go ahead, get some butter in mine, and I'll come back right to you guys. Okay guys, so this is all the ingredients I use. I know it look a lot, but guys, you wanna taste this bun when I finish. Trust me, this bun is off the chain. This is a old, long time recipe, way back. From the great ones. You know how it go already. Okay, my people. So now, I had the pans already butter. I give you 3 options. You could oil it, you could put it with spam, but I use my butter. In one of them I put a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna try a different experiment with this one. So I already have the oven, guys, set at 350, preheat at 350. So I'm gonna set this bad boy up. I'm gonna put them in the oven. Guys, you see this mixture? Not normal, okay? And remember guys, when you're making a cake or a pudding or whatever you're making, don't overfill the pan. Leave a space because it's gonna rise. Okay? This is the reason why I'm making 2 instead of 1. I want some of these ingredients in this, some of this raisin and all this stuff in this one too. I don't want it to be in just one of them, in both of them. Okay? Right. So we're sharing this equally, guys. We're gonna make 2 nice bun. Easter bun. Traditional Easter bun, guys. This one gonna make you lick your finger. Right. So that is it, my peeps. All you gotta do is just shake it down a little bit so it's set. Okay? And then ready to go in the oven. So right now, let me clean off the edges. Because you know we're gonna go in the oven, guys. We don't want nothing to get out of hand before time. Okay. And that is it. So right now, we're gonna go in the oven, guys. Straight in the oven. Straight in the oven, guys. The oven is already set at 350. So we're gonna put in this bad boy and we're gonna let them stay for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Alright guys, that is it. All set, ready to go. We're gonna go now. So that is it. Stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe. This is the Easter bun, guys, everybody been waiting for. And in the Easter time, in Jamaica, we eat bun and cheese and fried fish. Later on, we're going to fry the fish, guys. So stay tuned. One love, Straight Yard TV. I forget to put in my nice cherry on top. Guys, when those bake, it's going to fly right up back. Don't watch it. It's just for decoration. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to anyway. Because I'm only decorating 1. I don't really like these things too much. Only 1. Okay, that is it. Now we're going right back in the oven, guys. Back to the video, Straight Yard TV. We're going to fry the fish outdoor today, guys, because we got a good day today. So we're going to do it on the grill instead of staying inside, guys. So fire already catch, oil in the pot. Nice scotch bonnet in there, 2 pieces of garlic. Let it go on hot. And then here is the fish, guys, already seasoned. We're going to fry some of them, probably have to grill some of them because I know it go already. Alright. Yes, and soak. So I saw it go. We want to catch them 2 potatoes around the edge. Then go and roast. You know roast potato, guys? That we are going to use it. So stay tuned. Like up the video. Share out the video. One love. Straight Yard TV. Alright, I'll hot. Fish in a pot. That we are doing. One more out of it. You know, pull up the pot and throw the guys. You have to have faith. Fry faster and better. Not every frying where I do, don't call it. Leave space, guys. That is it. Only 3, no more. And the cola quick good, guys. So you know what? We're going to fry them fast and quick. And we'll get to something else. So stay tuned for that one later. That is it. Now we're good. You see it? Very clean. Now we're good. It have a little fell over because we looked on it twice, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Still nice. Still nice, my peeps. So guess what happened now? We are going to make the glazing for it. And we are going to make it cool. And we are going to cut the cheese. And we are going to eat butter and cheese, guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright, they might look good. So them nice? Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Oh yeah, kick too, you know. Hot. Yeah, my people. That is it. Look how them golden brown and pretty. Nice. See? Yeah. Okay, my people. So here what happened now. Bun ready. Look at it, guys. Nice and ready. Have a little fall over, but don't worry about the fall over, guys. In most baking you have a little fall over. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna fix it. Okay? So now alright, guys, so right now I'm gonna make a glazing for the bun. So stay tuned and watch that. And then we're gonna make the bun cool. So we're going to cut the bun. We're going to cut cheese also, guys. And the fish are frying out there outside, so you know it go already. So we're gonna put a little piece of butter in the pot, guys. Guys, you have two options. Guys, you have two options. You can use sugar or you can use honey. I'm gonna go ahead with the honey because it's much more better than the sugar. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of honey in it. Here we go. Alright, this is what we're talking about. See that caramel color, guys? This is what we're talking about. Is the honey do that? And you could use the sugar too, but you gotta be careful with the sugar or the honey because it can get black on you, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add a little of the jam. You can add any flavor, I always tell you. Any flavor of your choice you can add. Doesn't make a difference. But this one, I'm telling you, it's a nice flavor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, melt out the jam. Melt out the jam with the butter. You know how you go already. Get it caramelized, you understand? Yeah, you see that color? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. This color here. Now you see that dark color? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So at this point, guys, you don't want to have the fire too high. You just want to have it on low so it can melt. It's a melting process. Okay? Melting process, guys. Melting process. Melting process. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. You see that color? Yeah. This is what we're looking for. Alright. See that color, guys? Yeah. This is so perfect. This is what we're talking about. With the sugar, it does the same thing, but you have to know to use the sugar, even the honey, because it will burn on you and get it black and it's no good again. You have to have it this type of color. You see this color? Yeah. This is what we're looking for. This type of texture. Nothing burnt. Okay? So the key in this, you gotta keep it on a low fire and you gotta keep mixing it. You don't want it to stick on the pot and burn. Okay? So see there? Ready to go. So right now, my peeps, I'm gonna get my at this point I'm gonna turn the fire off because I'm done now with the melting process. I'm gonna get my glazing brush. I'm gonna glaze these bad boys over here. Yeah, that is it. Nice. Okay, my people. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna glaze these bad boys like this. See that shine on it, guys? Yeah, getting back moist. This is the key to get it moist, guys. You're gonna make it sit and cool before you're even ready to cut it. Okay? Yeah, so it's nice and shine and pretty. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Alright, so we're gonna do the next one also. Get him nice and soft and juicy. No tough dry something, guys. Nothing dry around here. Yeah, that is it. So we're gonna let this sit and let it cool, guys. And then we're gonna come right back to you when we're cutting the cheese. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. When we're cutting the cheese. We're gonna eat some bun and cheese for this Easter, guys. Yeah, see? Perfect amount, guys. Nothing leaves. That's how I'm telling you how to do it. You're not making something to waste, you're making something to use. Okay? Alright. So we're gonna leave it like that and let it cool. And then after that, we're gonna come right back and we're gonna cut the cheese, guys, and we're gonna eat some bun and cheese. And also some fried fish. So stay tuned for that one. Straight to your TV. Okay, my people. So now we have the fish them already fried. Some already eaten, my people, but it's okay. We're fried them to eat. We have the blanch in here. We have some carrot, onion, blue onion, white onion, scotch bonnet pepper. We have the vinegar here. We have a little bit of oil in the pot. So we are going to blanch him up and we are going to add it to the fish, my people. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay guys, so right now I'm already fried. So we are going to put the nice onion on him with the vinegar and the scotch bonnet pepper. Give him some nice flavor. We're going to dress him up, make him look nice and taste nice also. So what we are doing now is garnishing. Garnish with all these beautiful ingredients. The vinegar, a little bit of oil with onion, garlic, pepper, carrots, Wow. This is gonna be nice, guys. So nice. Nice. That is it. So all these juice, that's what I need in it, the juice. Get them caramelized with flavors. Okay? That is it. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, man. Yeah. Alright, perfect amount. We're gonna dump everything. Nothing not wasting. Nothing not throw away. See it there. Ready to go. See them, my people? Nice. That is what we're talking about. Nice Escovitch snapper. Okay, guys? We're gonna eat later, and we're gonna cut the bun, and we're gonna cut the cheese. So stay tuned for that part. Okay, guys? Here is the bun. Here is the cheese. Here is the fish. We're gonna get this bad boy out. And it's very easy to come out, guys. See that? Just turn him over. Fly out like wow. Alright, guys. Here what happened. This one is well hot, and I can't wait to eat it. So we're gonna cut this one. We have the next one here cooling. So when it cool perfectly, we're gonna open this one also. So just stay tuned, watch the video, like the video, give it a thumbs up. We have bun and cheese, guys. We're gonna eat bun and cheese. This is what we're waiting for. Some bun and cheese. Okay. See there? See all the raisin and everything? I don't like that raisin, guys, so I didn't put that much.
Yeah, put currant in it.
No, we don't put currant. We don't use currant. We don't use them things. Natural bun. Warm. Well warm. Watch out. Well warm. Wow. Kayla, this one is so nice. Watch out. Flavor is so great, guys. Trust me. This is bam. Guys, when it's cool, it's gonna get harder. It's gonna get easier to cut. So when it's cool, better. But I can't wait. I have to dive in it, guys. And I don't use too much raisin, because I don't like raisin that much. And I don't use too much cherry. I just use a little bit. You can do whatever you want to do to yours. But if you do it this way, look how soft it is, guys. Watch out. Let me show you something, guys. Look at this. You know when you squeeze it like that, that's what happens. You know what happens, guys? Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's just because it's hot. Okay? So stay tuned. CTR TV. I love it. We're gonna eat some fish later, guys. I know it's come Easter. And this is what we're doing Easter time, guys. So you can try it back home. Make your own bun. You don't have to buy it at a store. Fry your own fish. Enjoy yourself and your family. One love. CTR TV.